A lot of people will tell you it can't be done. A lot of people will say you're mad. Someone comes up to me and goes, it can't be done. It makes me want to do it. The whole mission is going to be all about getting 2 quad bikes to an extremely remote plane wreck.
Slow down, you're coming in too quick.
On this island is a time capsule that has never been found. Getting there, well, that requires a little bit of 4-wheel driving.
Over the edge. Dip time. Go down.
It ain't moving yet.
I want to be the first to get some sort of vehicle to that plane wreck. All that hard work and all that effort has come to this one point again, and it's take 2 to get the job done. Complete catastrophic failure.
This is bad. We're in trouble.
We're in trouble. Big time.
We've overloaded these quad bikes. They're so overloaded, it's out of control.
Best part of having Simon there when it all turns to crap, I bet my life on that guy.
Oh, you love that, don't you?
He's got my back no matter what.
Job.
It's wet, it's getting wetter, it's wetter, and then... Come on, baby!
Our aim today is just to band-aid the fences as such.
Next thing you know, bang.
And all I can see is all these heads, fully submerged quad bike hanging down. Jase is panicking like hell. Don't forget there is crocodiles in this country.
We're gonna go and check out this location, and it is one special place.
Who in their right mind to come up here in the wet season?
Idiots.
Oh, bit of bush mechanics required.
Ready? Go. She's starting to go down, down, water coming in around the floor. All I can think of is don't roll over, don't roll over. We're in croc country.
Every day's an adventure.
Done it again.
We're back.
Good job. Feel free. Unleashed. It is the next level.